In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the lowest score in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to find the lowest score. This can be any worksheet that contains a list of numbers, such as test results, grades, sales figures, or other values you want to compare. In this example, the sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through A6. So we have a simple column of values ready to work with. Once your workbook is open and your data is in place, the next step is to enter the formula that will calculate the lowest value for you. Click on cell B2. This is where the result will appear. Then type an equals sign followed by the word MIN and then an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the range A2 through A6 and close the parenthesis. The full formula should read as equals MIN, open parenthesis, A2 colon A6, close parenthesis. The MIN function is one of the easiest and most useful formulas in Excel because it scans the selected range and returns the smallest number it finds. That means instead of checking each score manually, Excel does the comparison instantly. If your scores are stored in a different range, you can simply replace A2, A6 with the correct range for your worksheet. For example, if your data is in another column or extends farther down, just update that part of the formula to match. You can also use MIN with selected cells that are not next to each other by entering individual cell references separated by commas instead of using a continuous range. Another important tip is to make sure your formula includes all the scores you want. Excel to evaluate. If you add more values below A6 later, remember to update the range so the new scores are included in the calculation. Otherwise, Excel will only look at the cells listed in the original formula. When the formula is ready, press enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the lowest score in cell B2. In this example, Excel returns 70, which means 70 is the smallest value in the selected range. And that's all there is to it. Using the MIN function is a quick and reliable way to find the lowest score in Excel. And once you know the formula, you can reuse it anytime you need to identify the smallest number in a list.